Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of Kerala Diaries. So, I cannot express the time that I'm having here. I came in yesterday, I'm staying at my friend's house. So, we had a nice chat. I went to a very small eatery, but I had Kerala parota and butter chicken. We were so much engrossed that I slept very late at 2:30. Now it's 8:30 in the morning and I've just woken up. And I'll just show you the house. It is a very small house, but the location from here and this place is damn good. Let me show it to you. So this is here one of the rooms, and if you see, this is the second room. This is a small, cute little balcony. So this is how the space is. Amazing place. To you, this is the entire area. Such nice houses here. Such nice houses. You see, this is the balcony, and this is one of the rooms. It's a bungalow, but the kind of hospitality that they have here, it is very good. And I must say, every one of you should come and visit Kerala. Amazing place to be, amazing times. This is Kerala style breakfast. This is appam and this is egg curry, and this is what we are going to eat. Hello everyone, good afternoon. So, welcome to day 2 of Kerala Diaries. It is 1:10 in the afternoon, and because it was very hot and humid, decided to go to Lulu Mall. So I've heard from a lot of people that it is Asia's largest mall. So I'm going to visit that. Now, even if I show the road to you, okay, so now if you see this, the metro is there completely, but because of the humidity I decided to take an Uber, and so yeah, that is the plan for now. And morning I had an amazing breakfast. I don't know, there was some kind of paratha and egg curry that I decided to eat. So that is the update. भाई केरला में गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है, but hats off to people staying here even though it is 34 degrees right now. Feels as if it is 45. Without AC, though, it gets, for someone like me who sweats a lot, without AC gets very difficult. I'll be showing the Lulu Mall to you guys soon. As you can see, folks, the roads are super clean in Kerala, and so this thing that I showed you, this is like one of the main highways, and if you see here, it is a peaceful city to live in. The vibe is very slow compared to Mumbai, but what's peaceful. I found it personally very peaceful and very chill. Guys, ये है Asia's largest mall, Lulu Mall, Kochi. It's huge. I'll go in and share my feedback. Let's go. Guys, ये है Lulu Mall. This is the first floor, and yeah, the mall is huge. The AC is good, the environment is good. I'll show it more. See, like they have this showroom, lot of stuff. See, this is the food court. You have Burger King, you have Kailash Parbat, lot of stuff. If you guys are coming in heat in Lulu in Kochi, come and visit Lulu. Thing that I've developed now with 4 months of content creation is that मैं अब कहीं भी कैमरा निकाल के बात कर सकता हूँ. So I find it very normal and I mean I'm super comfortable in this now. Even though people are watching, अगर confidence है बिंदास करो, don't get scared. यार तो कुछ डिस्कस करना है अभी. I'm sitting at Pizza Hut and I'm seeing people around me, no one is happy. So I just thought of sharing this. I wish I could show around. There are about let's say 20 plus tables here. I don't find anyone happy. The whole mall is crowded. सब लोग सबसे भाग रहे हैं. My pizza is also right, so सब लोग सब भाग रहे हैं. Everyone is just running after money and God knows what. People are just chasing things, but no one is happy. But I am happy. Okay, bye. Pizza Hut has launched this new pizza. It is something different. I don't know which non-veg pizza I've ordered. But you can take a screenshot and if you want to eat at your risk. Bye. Guys, ये देखो another interesting thing about Kochi is, so if you see, that is the metro bridge and this is the entry from Lulu Mall directly to the metro station. Yeah, so one simple thing in Kochi metro, people have zero civic sense. मैं अंदर घुसा, everyone is standing in the center. अंदर पूरी जगह खाली है, no one wants to go inside. Crazy. The only good part is that metro covers a major portion of the city and they have WhatsApp ticketing. So I was able to book tickets like quickly, fat ekdam. So that is easy. So if you're traveling in Kochi, either travel through Uber cab and or travel by metro. So the next stop for today is I'm going to Marine Drive in Kochi to watch the sunset. I took a metro from Lulu Mall to Maharaja's College, and I mean one thing, life is very slow here, and in metro the best thing that I found was that obviously traveling was easy, it is cheap. I paid 27 rupees for a ticket. However, people were just standing in the center. लोग आराम से पड़े हुए हैं कि भाई ट्रेन आएगा, घुसेंगे अंदर बाहर, things like that. So yeah, let's see. पटना का मरीन ड्राइव देखा है, मुंबई का देखा है, कोची का भी मरीन ड्राइव देखते हैं भाई कैसा है. So, tuk-tuk ride in Kochi. This guy is taking about 50 रुपए. So he's charged 50 रुपए rate है for about 1.5 kilometers. I checked on Uber, it was more. Obviously, अब ऐसे शहरों में अब जब आते हो तो एक बात समझ आती है कि मुंबई में क्यों चीज़ें बहुत सिंपल हैं, बिकॉज वहाँ पे मीटर टैक्सी है विच इज़ अ लग्जरी. I've traveled across the world. बाहर जितना ट्रैवल मैंने ऑटो से इरेगुलर है, मुंबई में बहुत सिंपल है. ये देखो रोड्स कितने क्लीन है गाइस कोची के. सी द रोड्स, so clean, so nice, so elegant, just beautiful, just wow. Look. So this is the entrance to Marine Drive, and I mean you can see if I zoom here, that is the market. I mean, good stuff. I can, if I zoom further, I can see a boat. Special vibe तो मेरा ये है कि it is better to, I mean, जो मैंने पटना का मरीन ड्राइव देखा उससे तो वे बेटर है. If I have to rank it, मुंबई का मरीन ड्राइव is second. For me, this is first and Patna का lowest. Very clean, very serene, awesome place to be in. And I've just come at the right time before the sunset. So yeah, that's what it is. So this is the entrance. See, there are a lot of boats. Perfect sunset. यहाँ पे you can see that's Kochi port. This is the entire stuff. And ये पूरा walkway है. And this is how it looks. Crazy place. I mean, if you guys come here, I mean, this is a perfect place to run, and obviously with sunset, it's crazy, awesome. Lost in the cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. Dark echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. If you guys see this area, and particularly I'm zooming on this one, that is a big machine that can like lift ships. This is the Cochin Indian Navy area, so we are not allowed to go there. That's a very huge ship. It's called Shreyas, and this is the entire view.
oil tanker and Gulfin crude oil different
Look at this. Look at these birds. Such an amazing view. Nature at its best. So this is Grand Hyatt Kochi. If I zoom in, you can see that's the houseboat, and I mean, people who are staying in these balconies, the room and the view would be amazing. Guys, so done with a successful boat ride, and I mean बहुत सारी जगहें cover करी. I'm just taking a stroll on the Marine Drive, and lots of good things here. All positive. There's nothing negative, and I mean the cleanliness is one. एक ऐसी चीज़ है cleanliness जिससे I'm completely awestruck because अब देखो vlogging का ये फ़ायदा. You saw those two guys. This is what happens if you start vlogging. But so yeah, अभी summers में ऐसा हो रहा है कि humid है थोड़ा. So आज
हम लोग घर से थोड़ा लेट निकले थे, मैं निकला हूँ करीब 12 बजे। वेंट टू लुलु मॉल। अभी यहाँ का इफ आई शो यू, ये पूरा पाथवे है, पाथवे, तो ये पूरा मरीन ड्राइव है। एंड तो मतलब ऐसा ही है अभी। दिस इज़ डे 2, द वेडिंग इज स्टिल देयर। मेरा मस्त वर्कआउट भी हो रहा है। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस कोची पोर्ट इज़ की वाटर बहुत क्लीन है एंड ग्रैंड हयात है। हमने अरेबियन सी का एंट्री देखा, सॉ द इंडियन नेवी का एरिया। अगर आप यहाँ पे आओगे, 2 डिफरेंट टाइप की बोट्स हैं। हमने गवर्नमेंट वाला लिया, सो इट कॉस्टेड में $150। और भी है, मैं विल शो इट टू यू। सो इफ यू सी दिस इज कॉल्ड मनार क्रूज टर्मिनल। सो ऐसा गवर्नमेंट का भी है, सो दैट इज़ हाउ इट इज़। एंड ऑब्वियसली सो द होल आइडिया शुड बी कि मॉर्निंग में, एंड या तो आप अर्ली मॉर्निंग आओ और यू कम शाम को, तभी। सो वन थिंग दैट आई वांट टू talk about is I don't know what is majorly wrong with people right now. Every person that I have seen or every person that I have met today, लोग लाइफ में बिल्कुल भी खुश नहीं हैं। Everyone is super sad. तो मैं सिर्फ इतना बोल रहा हूँ कि तुम्हारे आसपास जो लोग हैं उनके साथ काइंड रहो, थोड़ा हेल्पफुल रहो, प्यार से बात करो। एंड एक कॉन्सेप्ट है ऑफ डी एस्केलेशन। चीज़ें एस्केलेट करने के बजाय डी एस्केलेट करो। लेट्स मेक अर्थ अ ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस टू लिव इन एंड लेट्स बिकम मोर ह्यूमन एंड सपोर्ट ईच अदर। एवरीवन इज़ गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट। मोर पावर टू एवरीवन हु इज़ वॉचिंग एंड चीयर्स। मुझे एक और बात करनी है। अगर तुम्हें ट्रैवल करना है, मैं ये अपने 16 ईयर्स ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपीरियंस से बता रहा हूँ, अपने फिटनेस पे ध्यान दो। मोटे हो पतले हो, मैं आई विल नॉट से आई एम वेरी फिट बाय लुक्स, बट मेरा फिज़िकल फिटनेस टॉप नॉच है बिकॉज आई एम एबल टू वॉक। आपको कोई भी सिटी अगर एक्चुअली में घूमना है, सो यू हैव टू वॉक बेयरफुट। बाइक से, कार से लास्ट माइल कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाएगा, बट एक्चुअल जो आपको चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर करनी है वो सिर्फ वॉकिंग से ही आएगा। सो नाउ आई विल शो यू, दिस इज अ नॉर्मल स्ट्रीट फूड प्लेस इन कोची एंड दिस इज द एग्जिट फ्रॉम मरीन ड्राइव। So now that when I'm vlogging here, people watch me as if I don't know क्या ही alien concept चल रहा है, but ठीक है, it is what it is.